So I'll be showing you how to restart your Rabbit R1. So just make sure you wake up the screen and then give your Rabbit a shake to go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to the power off option and press the side button and then confirm by pressing that button again. Now that's going to turn off your Rabbit R1. After a couple of seconds, it's going to vibrate. There you go. And that means the Rabbit R1 is now fully off. So to start it or to restart it, just long press on the side button. That's going to turn on the Rabbit. And that's basically the only way you can restart your Rabbit R1. Unfortunately, there's no specific button for restarting. You just have to turn it off and then turn it back on, and that's a complete restart. Thanks for watching. Leave any comments or questions you might have in the comment section below, and good luck.